Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the essentials: a Fresnel lens, a stable phone or tablet stand, cardboard, tape, and a sharp knife. Once done, measure the lens focal length by holding it above your screen until the image is sharp. Note that distance in centimeters. Make sure to mark the center line and top mounting edge on the cardboard so the lens will sit centered. These first steps set the optical geometry, so you don't waste time adjusting later. Now construct the housing. Fold a cardboard base and two side panels to form a shallow box. Once assembled, position the Fresnel lens at the top mark and secure it with tape, allowing a slight tilt toward you. This adjusts viewing angle and reduces glare. Make a phone cradle on the base so the screen faces the lens at the measured focal distance. Test by powering the device and sliding it until the image is sharp. Adjust tilt and distance to fine-tune focus and contrast. Finish by trimming excess cardboard and reinforcing joints so the lens stays stable. This improves image steadiness. Once done, lower ambient light and, if needed, drape a dark cloth around the hood to increase contrast. Make sure the screen brightness is adjusted. Higher brightness often improves perceived clarity. If the image is blurry, move the phone 1 to 2 centimeters closer or farther, or slightly change the lens tilt. These small
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.